Hey hustlers, Miles here. Hope you're having a great day. In today's video, we're going to discuss the simplest and easiest way to start making more money from your Etsy store today. Let's get into it. So welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new here on this channel, we're all about building successful brands online for more money, more freedom and a better future. So let's dive into the video. So 100% the easiest way to start making more money from your Etsy store immediately is to increase your prices. So that's it. End of the video. I'm only joking. But it really is that simple, guys. For example, if we was to take 10 products, if we was to sell 10 products a day at $10, right? Across the course of the year, across 365 days, we would make $36,000 in revenue or somewhere around that, okay? If we was just to add $5 to our retail price, so taking it from $10 to $15, by the end of the year, we would have around $54,000. So just adding a little extra $5 onto your retail price can have a huge effect across the course of the year. So why don't more people do this? I hear it all the time from people, I can't charge X amount for my products, or, I can't charge this because my competitors are charging that. Some people even give up before they even start because they fear they won't make any profit at all based on the low prices they've seen. It is entirely possible. I say it all the time to my students. There's always going to be a seller that's going to be willing to charge less than you and also make less money than you, okay? So your goal should not be to be competing with these sorts of products or to be the cheapest option. Your goal has to be different if you want to succeed. And it all comes down to this question. Why do customers spend $8 for a coffee at Starbucks when they could brew one at home for a fraction of the price? Why would anyone spend thousands of dollars on a Lamborghini when they could get a car for a lot cheaper? A car is essentially something that takes you from A to B. There's numerous reasons, but one of the biggest reasons is how these products and services make their customers feel. When you go to Starbucks, it's all about the atmosphere, okay? You get the whole package. You get the cool, laid-back vibe. You get the people working, meeting up with their mates. You get the Starbucks label on your coffee. When you buy a Lamborghini, you want to be seen by people. It's all about the status that you get by driving one, the roar of the engine down the street, everyone looking at you. So customers' buying decisions are always about more than just the product itself. So how do we as, marketers and Etsy store owners have some control or agency over the way our customers, think and feel about our products? How can we evoke sort of feelings and a connection with what we offer? It's all about knowing who your ideal customers are and focusing on building a brand that resonates with them. So if you want to charge more money for your products, number one, you have to have a good product to begin with. None of this is going to work if you've got rubbish products, okay? You might make a few sales in the beginning, but when you start to get, rubbish reviews, all of that stuff, it's not going to work, okay? So you always need to, exceed your customers' expectation. You always want to, really make them happy. So your products must be good. Number two, you need to know who your customers are, what's their interests and why are they going to be buying your products? And number three, once you know who those customers are and what they're interested in, you can really start to craft and build a brand that really resonates with these customers, that's really going to appeal to them, and it's going to put your store head and shoulders above other Etsy store owners that are trying to target the same type of customers, and they are going to be willing to pay more money for your products. So when you're building your Etsy store, you want to be the Lamborghini of your niche. You don't want to be the basic bargain bin version, okay? So hope you enjoyed the quick video. If you want to learn more about how to build an awesome brand on Etsy that really appeals, to your target customers, that really resonates with your target customers, then check out my free webinar. Links in the description. It's about an hour long. As I said, it's completely free to attend. Again, if you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section how you're getting on with your Etsy stores. Keep hustling and I'll see you in the next one.